Bonjour mes amis, je suis ici à la cuisine avec Monsieur Moustache. Aujourd'hui, nous faisons les crêpes. Alors, allons-y, regardez. Regardez. Nous avons la fraise, framboise, petit bleuet et confiture. Some fillings to stuff those crêpes. Chocolat, ou de sucre, ou de beurre. Other things you could put in there as well. Ou poulet, fromage, even some savory things, some meats and cheeses as well. It can be dinner, dessert, or breakfast. Le petit déjeuner, breakfast. Le dîner ou le dessert. Ma favorite. Il faut un peu de beurre. If you wish to fill it or put some nice beurre avec votre fruit, with your fruits. Il faut 4 œufs, un peu de lait, un peu de sel, et fleur, un peu de fleur, d'accord? On mélange, you mix it all together, mélange, et voici handy dandy little crepe maker. Now this is more of a traditional crepe maker. You can also do pan crepes. That's what you would use the beurre, so melted beurre, you would add to the batter and to the regular pan poêle. In this case, you take le poêle and met dans la pâte. Okay? And return to the base and to heat it up. It has a little light, un lumière ici qui dit tells me when it's done. D'accord? Alors, Monsieur Moustache et moi, while it cooks or chauffé for 30 seconds, les 30 secondes, Monsieur Moustache a an etiquette. He has a little name tag across his head. It's a game we play in class. Qui êtes-vous? Qui êtes-vous? Qui êtes-vous? Qui êtes-vous? Et vous, vous, vous. Sort of like headbands combined with charades, where the person avec the etiquette hasn't seen what it says, and the audience or the class, la classe, fait comme acteur. They become actors and act out the actions of the profession written on the headband, the etiquette, and la tête. Okay? So it's a little combination, and it's a great way of making fun. You can actually do this virtually too. You can figure that out on some of the on Zoom or House Party. You can put the etiquette or put the little heads up, little card up there, and your friends that you can see, your classmates, étudiants, could act it out for you, and then you can try and figure it out. D'accord? Monsieur Moustache, I hope he can figure it out. Qui êtes-vous, Monsieur Moustache?
Je suis le
chef. Il est chef. Je suis chef aussi. Alors, voici une étiquette. I have another little headband here. Étiquette pour la tête. Je suis artiste. Je suis artiste. On fait de crêpes. On est artiste. On peut être artiste. One could be an artist and make it very decorative and very colorful. And voilà. Alors, un peu plus, encore de pâte, and you put a little bit more when it gets a little low. Et voilà. On met de fleurs, du lait, des 4 œufs, un peu de sel, and mélanger. And I mixed it all up. I started with the dry, with the fleur, added the œuf, met des œufs, and mixed it, mélanger, and the sel, and a little bit of salt, and mixed it up, mélanger before I've added devant que lait. And then you see I still have some lait because I didn't quite need as much. Just depends on the day, and it depends on how quick you pour. But you go by how the batter looks. You want it pliable. You don't want it too thick. You don't want it too runny. You want it right in between. Goldilocks would be happy. Just right. Okay? Comme ça. Fantastique. Parfait. Bon. Et on met, one last one, on met la poêle ici. comme magique. Abracadabra. Et voilà! Je suis magicienne. Non, non, je suis chef. Et voilà. La lumière. Et bon appétit. Le déjeuner ou le dîner ou le dessert pour vous. If you'd like the recipe or the game cards and directions as to how to play the game, jouez le jeu. Qui êtes-vous? Avec Monsieur Moustache. Envoyez un message de email. KristenMartel73@gmail.com. You can see the address in the comments and in my bio as well. Merci. Bon appétit, mes amis. Ciao for now.